Today we're making the bee's knees for men.
Oh.
It's got bourbon in it.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Derek, Dan, and Ian are going to make for you the Gold Rush. It's really Ian. I'm just going to yell loud.
And they're going to drink it.
I'm going to drink it.
Yep. We're going to taste test the Gold Rush. It's like, what did we say it was like?
It's almost like the bee's knees.
It's like the bee's knees with bourbon.
That's right.
If you don't know what that is, then
Pretty much the same thing.
just go to our channel, because why wouldn't you go there?
Yeah.
And you can search for the bee's knees. You can go to recipe.awesomereach.com and we have the recipes there. The recipe is going to be 2 ounces of bourbon, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of honey syrup or honey mix. If you want to make your own honey mix,
shake it in your tongue.
Yeah, you just take your honey and your water and boom, honey mix.
What? What do you do?
How much honey do you put in?
50,
Just enough. 50-50?
50-50?
50-50 sounds good.
50-50 mix honey and water?
50-50?
50-50? Fitty-fitty.
50-50?
Fetty.
Tree fitty.
And once you do that, magic happens. Then you take that and you can put it into your drink. And
Then it looks like this.
Yeah. Or you can purchase it. I don't sell it anymore because I'm done selling syrups because they keep expiring on me. So you can get, you probably get it on Amazon. I don't know. Doesn't matter.
But you can just make it.
You can just make it.
Just make
or
it.
you what you do is you go to awesomereach.com, you buy our bartender starter kit, and then you go to Amazon or BG, just go to Blair and get it there, and then boom, make yourself a drink. Or water honey. Simple. Water, honey, lemon.
Have we ever had the Gold Rush?
Yes.
The big old nugget.
Yeah.
I think we've all been one doing the Gold Rush before, but maybe not. I feel like we have.
Is the bee's knees a classic?
Yeah,
The bee's knees is a
The
classic.
Bee's Knees is a classic from like
God damn it.
the 30s, I think.
You took it too hard.
And if
I choked the
I
shit
think
out of it.
where I last saw it is you watch Marvelous Mrs. Maisel.
Yeah.
The last season, they go to like a what do they call those things when you go to the bar?
Speakeasy?
Speakeasy. And so she ordered the girls got bee's knees because it was a girls' drink,
Yeah.
and I think the guys got Manhattans.
I think so. Something like that.
Like those were like the kind of guy
Those
girl.
were big. That was a girl drink back in the day.
bee's knees.
Bee's
I like
knees was
bee's
a girls'
knees.
drink. Before the Manhattan, I think was a girls' drink. The Manhattan was a boys' drink. Bee's knees was a girls' drink. Then Manhattan became a girls' drink, and then cigarettes came out. Those became girl things too. These guys had cigars.
That's what I said. We're watching
So-
For All Mankind right now, and all the girls smoke.
What are you watching?
For
Oh,
All
really?
Mankind.
Oh, mine can't. Is that a show or is that?
Yeah, it's on Apple. It's
Oh, okay.
like sci-fi show. It's actually
Gotcha.
pretty good.
It's good?
Yeah.
It's like an alternate timeline of the space race where the
Yeah.
Russians win.
Like the Russians
okay.
win the space
Oh,
race.
kind of like Man in the High
Oh.
Castle where the Germans won World War II. Like what the world becomes.
Yeah, probably very similar. It sounds like.
Yummy.
Yummy.
That's it. Just yummy. It is yummy.
It is yummy.
It is. It's got like that. It's you know
Amazing.
what?
It's got some honey.
It's delicious. It's amazing.
Here's the thing.
Yummy.
We've made a bunch of drinks that have all been simple, and the one key difference, and that's lemon, right?
Some are yummy and some aren't.
Right, but they've all had lemon in it. Well,
Yeah,
besides
but
the other
one
one.
has bourbon. I mean,
It's the the
Yeah, bourbon's
deciding
definitely
factor
better.
is probably the bourbon.
Well, the revolver was decent. What did that have? That rock.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
but that didn't
was
have
good.
that didn't have a juice at all, right?
No, that was juiceless.
Yeah.
It had orange bitters, but
I like it.
If it's juiceless, then yeah, you're going on your. You just like the honey.
your body says I could take it or leave it, but then your mouth says I love it.
Well, the ice was fucking me up because the ice keeps rolling.
That's the nugget.
Yeah, I keep trying to get around
Yeah, and it comes right
and every
around.
time I drink it, it goes
It goes
right around.
You just
Slide
gotta
right
own the
back
ice.
down. Yeah.
On the ice.
And you got
And it makes it really cold though.
it on your lips.
Mm.
I bet it was cold for the 49ers in the winter.
Mm.
49.
Yeah, probably true.
Yeah.
I don't know what that has to do. Oh, I got Gold Rush.
Gold Rush. Okay.
Gold Rush.
I am connecting all
You gotta
the
think
dots.
like I think.
Yeah.
That's
Don't.
scary.
Why not?
Don't think like you
Don't try to think like he thinks.
I connected the
That's
dots.
like 1 in like 5,632.
More.
6,500, 65,535.
Oh, Jesus. You go in new shorts.
Coder joke. You know what? Sometimes if you're an unsigned short, that's exactly your number. But I connected the dots to this, and it was one.
I'm,
$1.
it's all right. I'm along, so
Just a long or a you long?
no, I long, not you long. You short, I long.
My bad. There's
Programming humor.
there's absolutely no place to go after that,
Nope.
so we're just gonna cut it here.
Yeah.
Best decision you made. All life.
Tasty, worth
Yummy.
a try.
Yummy.
Honey makes everything better. If you don't
Yes.
like gin, this is the next best thing. Well, I don't know if it's an adjacent thing.
Yeah.
To that type of drink. So have your friends making the bee's knees, and you make yourself whatever the fuck Gold Rush.
Gold Rush.
That's it. Sidebar. More videos down below. Starter
Man's
kit.
bee's knees.
AwesomeDrinks.com. Teach you how to drink.